Thank you for watching my Grossery Gang video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get started! Okay guys, now we're going to open the Grossery Gang Crusty Chocolate Bar. So I can't wait to see if we got a caramel or a chocolate. That's a quick look. There. And there's also here. And here there's like some types. So now let's open it up. I think I've got a caramel. Yeah, I got a caramel. So here's my checklist. And I got the wrapper. I'll put over here. Now, this is the caramel bar. So let's open it. Got our 2 blind bags. They feel okay. That one I think I know what it is. This one, I have no idea. Okay. Okay guys, now I'm going to quickly show you the checklist and then we're going to open them. So, yeah, I'm going to open up. Okay, that's a little hard. Okay, that's the first part of the checklist. And here's the other side. Okay, now we're going to open them. So I'm going to start with this one, and I think I know what it is. It looks really familiar. Oh, okay. All right. I know how to open these blind bags with my finger. Okay. Okay, alright. Got it open. He's really squishy and weird. Stretchy too. Can't wait to find his name. I don't know who this might be, but I can see a little. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Alright. I think I know who this is. On the packaging, there's like this cheese in. This is the purple version of it. Okay guys, now we're gonna search for him. He looks more of like a sauce, so it'd go in the sauce, and his name is Bad Soy. I am a boy, soy. And he is right over there. And he's a red, so he's a common. So that's really good. He's very stretchy. Black cap, he's red. He has a silly mustache. One of his eyes are a little closed. He has a little hole at the bottom. And you can put your pencil inside. See? I used my finger that time. So now we're going to look for him. And he looks like he would be in the Sour Dairy. Where's the Sour Dairy? Oh, there it is. Okay. He looks like he's Stinky Cheese. And we got the purple edition. He's also common, and he also has a bunch of spots, like vomit or something. He's also sticking his tongue out. Both eyes are wide open, and he's really big and squishy. I can bounce him, I think. And he also has a hole on the bottom for your pencil. Okay guys, it's time for me to leave. Don't forget to like and subscribe.